Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. It's your boy, the God Gamer himself, Harriet Velasco. And today, it's Friday. And you know what that means? It's now time for another bold review dito sa Fridays with BMX only on Harriet. And today, we are going to take a look at Sponsor. Yes, that is the title of the movie that we're going to review today. Sponsor, starring Angela Morena, her cousin in real life, Micaela Ras, Krista Miller, Mon Confiado, and Van Halen Ong. Val Halen! Di ba? Sa Justice, ano yun? Saan yun? Kay Major Glory. Yeah, the Justice Friends ba yun? Yun. So yeah, if you haven't subbed yet, subscribe to the channel, hit that bell icon for more of your bold review dito sa Fridays with BMX only on Harriet. And yeah, I'm going to apologize in advance kasi may video at pinalabas like a few days ago saying that my audio is weak. Look guys, I am recording through a PS5 controller. Okay? At least I'm not reviewing on a still screen anymore. Kasi ayaw ng marami yung ano eh. I heard in Honkai Star Rail nagre-review black screen tapos white text. Ayaw nila. So I'm just gonna do more showing than telling than ever before. So, yan. So new, it is what it is, guys. Sorry. It's just my Jinshi is now level 70. Nice. Okay. So, what is this sponsor that we're yapping about? Okay, sponsor is a movie about a sponsor. It's a formal term to describe a sugar daddy. That's essentially it, a sugar daddy. At ang sugar daddy dito, Simon Confiado. So, we are living in the world of Jasmine and Elise. Jasmine is played by Angela Morena. Ang tagal na niyang nawala eh, no? I think the last time I saw Angela Morena was either in Lady Guard. Tagal naman ito pumorma. Lady Guard or ano, I'm thinking other else. Lady Guard. Kabit! Yung kasama niya yung ano, nawala yung edits ni Victor Relosa. Yun. So that is Angela Morena's current most recent movies to you. And Micaela Ras, I know she's been a few recent movies. Yeah. She's on the tip of my tongue, pero alam ko mas recent yun. But yeah, these two are real life cousins. So they know what's up, diba? And what is really up is the fact na this is one of the better produced BMX movies na nakita ko. It is 2 hours long. I'll give you that impression. Pero at least it tells a good story. Okay? Yung may kwento siya, it establishes good world building. Okay? It establishes the plot. Ayun. So nagsimula ito sa isang engkwentro ni Jem Milton na kaibigan ni Angela Morena. Si Jem Milton ay si Dana at siya ay isang prostitute. Okay? Isa siyang prosti. Parandaliang aliw ni Mark Dionisio na nasa Batang Quiapo for some reason. Nakampi siya ni Primo dun eh. Ayun. Pero I'm not here to diss on that. Ayun. And nangyari ito because more of Morena is this is struggling to keep to being the breadwinner of her father who is experiencing gout. So single father siya and may gout yung tatay si Itay. So wala nagkakaroon ng mga ganung chance may gout eh. Kaya ingat-ingat sa mga pagkain. Okay? Ingat-ingat. Kasi sabi ko mag-ingat kayo sa mga pagkain. Yung mahilig sa pares dyan. Gout yun, di ba? Okay. So, meron siyang kapatid si Elise, isang matalinong estudyante. Okay? Ganun. And she is having trouble getting the finance for her so-called final exam kasi wala siyang tuition. Yung mga ganung eskwela talaga, best link eh, di ba? Ayun. Yung kailangan may mga requirements. Pagpapayas ka na nga lang, kailangan mo pa magbayad eh, no? Visit. Pero ganun. At lumapit siya kay sa ate niya na dapat pampagamot siguro sa tatay niya yung pera pero napunta sa finals and siguro yun yung imbes sa pagpagamot yung tatay niya napunta sa finals yun. So yeah, establishes sisterly bond. Merong dito si Van Allen Ong, he is like the simp. Siya yung simp ni Jasmine. Sa katunayan, taga-deliver siya ng tubig. Mas nakita niya si Jasmine na naliligo tapos bigla niya pinagpang inasal yung kanyang ari. Okay? And syempre, tingin yun, di nahalata ni Jasmine, ni Angela Moreno yun, nahalata niya kasi nakita niya, after niya maligo, naghuhugas itong kamay si Van Allen Ong and amoy disinfectant daw. Eh di ba pag yung mod thumbs, pag natuyo, amoy disinfectant, huli, cut in the act ka. Capital C-A-U-G-H-T. Thought. Okay. So, enough about that. Nakilala na si Van Allen Ong, nakilala na si Elise, nakilala natin si Jasmine. Okay, so when did the sponsor come in? The sponsor came in kasi nagkaroon ng reklamo itong si tatay ni Elise at ni Jasmine na sumakit bigla yung gout niya, di niya tiniis, di niya matiis, and they need source of money para pang ospital. Si Dana, tinuro niyan si Jasmine na maging na magkaroon ng sugar daddy at itinuro dito sa karakter ni Mon Confiado na si Marcos. At ito naman si Jasmine, sa una pumayag siya pero unti-unti na-in-love siya dito kay Marcos. To the point na tinatanggihan niya yung pera ni Marcos once na bibigyan siya ng pera. Tinatanggihan niya. So, wala rin. Wala rin pagiging sugar daddy ni Marcos kasi she sees Marcos more as a boyfriend kaysa sa pagiging sponsor. Ngayon si Elise gusto naman gusto naman yung maging soft prostitute. So meron siyang kaklase si Krista Miller played by Dana at ito naman yung para siya yung nangurakot. Siya yung kumpara Lucio ng Red Phoenix kay Santino. Si Santino si Elise tapos nagkaroon ng distraction or yung parang demonyo na alam mo yun, yung demonyo na umaano sa pag-iisip mo. Wala ganun talaga. Okay, so na-convince Day nitong si Dana na maging panandaliang aliw, maging soft prostitute kasi sinuhulan siya ng iPhone sa Power Mac Center. Yun yung pagkakaunawa ko. And from that then on, ayun, naging kliyente na to, naging top high-end walker na itong si Elise. Isa siyang matalinong prostitute. Go figure. Okay, so that is establishes thing. Si Angela, si Jasmine, may sponsor, pero di niya tinuturing sponsor si Mon Confiado at itong si Elise parang parang tawag doon. What's the term? Nakumbinse para sa tulungan yung tatay niya maging prostitute. Okay. So that has been established. So what has happened throughout the movie? So si Elise pinagamot niya yung tatay niya under an anonymous good Samaritan para hindi mahalata. And she became a frequent customer sa mga mayayaman, sa mga naghahanap ng panandaliang aliw. At si Jasmine patuloy kanyang romansa kay Mon Confiado, kay Emilio Aguinaldo. Until such time, nag-cruise ang landas ni Mon Confiado sa ni Elise. So, naging kliyente ni Elise si Mon Confiado habang tinitira ni Mon Confiado. Naging girlfriend kasi ni Mon Confiado si Angela Morena, si Jasmine dito. So, yun. Yung reveal is something. Yung reveal, may mga tense music pa kasi first time ni Elise pumunta sa apartment ni Mon Confiado at bigla na lang lumabas si Mon Confiado, si Marcos doon. And may music doon eh. Parang ganoon eh. Nagbi-build ng tension eh. Kala mo papatayin si Elise eh. 'Di ba? Wala, ganun talaga ganun yung parang showing, okay? Show don't tell, 'di ba? And ayos naman. Yun. Kasi ang ano data doon setup, kakatapos lang ni Mon Confiado ni Marcos makatalik si Jasmine. And then nag-next session ka siya kay Elise. Diba? Diba? ang ang ano eh, babaero ang logo eh, no? As ngiting tagumpay po eh. So, yeah, Elise, an honor student, matalino daw, sabi ng professor niya eh. In-explain yung Abraham Maslow's law of needs, hierarchy of needs ata yun, oh. And, na-explain mabuti, di daw siya naniniwala doon or something. I think that correlates to something in the plot kasi nagkaroon ng hierarchy of needs relationship eh. Yung kanyang unang sagot na, yung maligaya, yung parang hindi siya naniniwala kasi yung mga prostitute, yung mga driver, yung mga janitor, hindi naman need ng malaking halaga para sumaya, parang na-contradict yung sarili niya kasi nagkaroon siya ng kasiyahan as a prostitute pero malaking halaga. Yan. Kasi yun, parang kinorelate ko sa hierarchy of needs yung nangyari kay Micaela Ras. Okay. So, furthermore, try ko muna to. Yan. Furthermore, there was one long take here. So nagtalik si Jasmine sa si Marcos sa apartment ni Marcos, and then we just get this one parang magandang nakaka-turn on na scene. Tapos bigla na lang in a quick camera cut, bigla na si Micaela Ras, si Elise yung nakita natin. And it's something like na, oy, they can actually do that, di ba? Yun. Furthermore, what can I say about this long take is, it's very sexy. Kumbaga sa mga nakita kong mga kwento sa Viva Max, ito medyo consistent eh. Okay? But, this is very sexy. One of the more sexy long takes na nakita ko in a while, and it's one of the best ones that Angela Morena actually ever did. And yeah, it's such a graduation or such a beautiful development sa career ni Angela Moreno that she can do something as a long take sex scene dito sa BMX platform. Okay, so ending nito, after that long sex scene, nalaman niya sa cellphone kasi nag-text si Dana ata kay Mon Confiado. Sabi, sulit ba? Tapos nakita yung mga screenshot ni Elise. Nalaman na tinitira ni Mon tinitira ni Mon si Elise, yung kapatid ni Jasmine, at nagalit. And, yun, kinompronta ni Jasmine si Elise, umiyak si Elise, nalaman na kasi yung katotohanan. And they decide to rob Mon Confiado 500,000 pesos by faking segs. So, in-scandal nila si Mon Confiado while Elise was filming. And that's how the movie ends. Yung mag-ate pa rin, hindi man sila nag-break, and yeah, masaya pa rin, happy pa rin, and Mon Confiado is an a-hole. yeah, so I think that's gonna be it for my review. Uh, what else naman pwede mo punan? Right, this is sponsored by Playtime. So, it will be subjected to not just one Playtime penalty, but two. Kasi, in the first, isa sa first ng BMX itong ginawa nila. They did two Playtime scenes. How did you even do that? Two scenes ng Playtime. Isa kay Angela at isa kay Mika. Si Mika naglalaro ng Playtime. Pero ni Morena, ano yan? And biglang Playtime. And then, another one is your cliche seg scene sa Playtime, yung pagkatapos magtalik. However, parang nag-round 2 sila habang nag-Playtime si Micaela Ras eh. Nag-round 2 eh. And Micaela Ras actually nutted. She actually climaxed nung paano na siya, pa-scatter na siya sa Playtime. Like, wow! Mind blown. That was, that was, uh, that was the most creative. Isa yun sa mga,
Would you like a
ewan?
fun game?
Ewan ko anong pinag-iisip ng, nasa BMX dito. Gumawa, gumawa ng Playtime na eksena. Pag ganun eh. Oh my god, I need 8 whisperings.
Would you like a fun game between the two of us?
Shoot. Where am I gonna, where am I gonna farm this one? Holy. Okay, so yeah, it's going to suffer to -2 on the playtime penalty. It is what it is. Yun yung batas natin, -2. Okay? Uh, like that. We're gonna resonate something, synthesis. Yeah. Okay, we're gonna rank up Camellia now. Okay, so my final verdict for sponsor. It should have been a
Would
smash.
you like?
I'll be honest, it should have been a smash. I would have given it like
I just
absolute smash. Pero dahil -2 on the penalty,
for anything specific for
I'm
you,
sorry,
it
bro,
would be my honor.
but I'm going to give this sponsor very okay, mamataas pa rin naman kasi smash yung kanyang original tier. I just compensate for the -2 on the playtime. I'm going to give this movie, a VMX movie sponsor, a rating of Will Bang Okay. Or sa tono ni Shepard, Will Bang Okay. Yan. Shit. Okay. Will Bang Okay. Sam, get to the Normandy as soon as possible. Will Bang Okay. Diba ganun yung ano? Yeah, so that's that's my verdict. Kala ko naman guminto na. Okay. So next review will be tomorrow, I think. Tomorrow Saturday kasi Royal Rumble sa Linggo, okay? So I'll be reviewing Bellas. It's supposed to be on Tuesday kaso busy ako on that week. So yeah, Bellas review will be on Saturday. And this is your boy, the God Gamer himself, Harriet, telling you this is not just goodbye, but also good night. Bang!